I'm not sure what day it is. I've kind of lost track. I think it's 11 or 12, something like that. But it's 7 degrees outside, so we are sitting in the truck this morning, and we're glassing this hillside the deer come off of. I'm gonna stay warm, and then about 9 o'clock, once the temperature rises up to mid-20s or so, we're gonna take off and hike way out this long ridge on a trek that we've been wanting to do for a while. We know this area holds bucks. They tend to kind of move in after the primary, the kind of the residential deer move out. These bucks will kind of filter into this area and stage out of the Gravant wilderness. So hopefully they're in there. We'll go take a look, try to get some good footage for you guys. It's a mature deer for sure. It's not a monster deer though. Just a big wide deer. So they skirted around this hill. We're still not 100% sure if there's a shooter there, but it looked like a decent buck. We just got glimpses of him. We're gonna walk up the top of this hill and hopefully get a better look at him. We'll see. Oh, we made it up here. We haven't crested the edge yet. We're catching our breath. Or at least I am. He's a freaking oversized mountain goat. So he can boogie up these dang hills. Not sure where they went to. We're gonna go check off of this knob. And if we can't find them, we'll form another game plan. Not seeing them down
or being snowed on all day, so first nice day.
Let's give it a shot. Well, these deer made it to this hill before we made it. 50 yards. Well, we're just gonna sit up here. It looks like they slowed down, but they still dropped off the next ledge. We don't know how far they went, so we're just gonna hang and hopefully they step out. We'll see what happens.
We got a set of tracks going up into a set of trees right there. We're a little ways away, but it kind of resembles a set of bear tracks. So,
Or by kind of. Yeah, it's a set of bear tracks.
yeah, so
In the snow, fresh.
we're probably not gonna go over there. Like right now.
Yeah.
Probably gonna like go around that.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go over that direction so we can look for deer.
I'm gonna eat some honey crackers.
Yeah. Well,
And stop and cook some bacon.
yeah, I was gonna say, can we get some bacon? Would that be good? I like it.
Well, we weren't able to turn up those bucks. They dropped too far down in the timber. And there's too many fresh bear tracks over there to go after them, so we may come back out here tomorrow and see if they come back. But right now, we're gonna head back to where we saw all those other bucks and see if we can't glass up the shooter out of that group. Shooters. But one of them is to the right. He's a big 3x3. He's old as dirt. The other one's a 4x4. 3 there. And there's some spike section and guards.
His body must be to the left. He had to have just been itching. There he is. I have no idea. There he is. I have no idea.
Well, I just shot this buck. And he didn't go down immediately, so we're going over there to find him. It's gonna be dark by the time we get there. Gotta get all the way around. Hopefully he's just dead up there. Well, we walked almost all the way over there and we got worried and we backed out. And on the walk over, we said we're gonna give him the night and come back in the morning, which is the worst thing that you wanna do. But we watched the video and there's blood on the video spraying out of his, right in the pocket, right where you want it to be. So I think he's just dead over there, and he's a tough son of a gun and didn't act hurt. I don't know.
Okay, well, we're gonna go over and check it out.
Let's do this. Nope, no bears.
Let's hope.
No freaking bears. Dead deer, no bears. Come on. Well, quick update. We went over there, and the hill looks different from above than it does below, and we didn't see anything
That we wanted to see.
that we wanted to see. So now we're driving back down. We're gonna walk up the hill to him, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Well, right. We drove back around to where we took the shot from, and we were not far enough up the hill. So now we're gonna go up the bottom, and we've shined the light bar on the truck up the hill. It's about 450 yards. We think we know right where he's at.
We got everything we think we need?
Yep, guns, bear spray, kill kit, tag, packs. We're good. Well, we cannot figure this out up here, and so we're gonna have to let him sit overnight. I don't know what happened. Looked like a good shot. We had it on phone scope. We both think we saw it spray blood right out of the frickin' boiler room. Could just be laying dead up here. I don't know. But we'll have to come back in the morning and figure it out. Well, as you can tell, we don't have our buck. My buck. We've watched the video, we've replayed it a bunch of times, and there's really kind of two outcomes. And we're gonna go up there and figure it out this morning. First is it was just dark. We were not on him. We didn't find him. He's laying up there dead. And if that's the case, we'll go find him this morning. It was probably 15 degrees last night, so he's totally fine. The second is that I shot a little bit low because we know we hit him. I hit him, and he lifted his leg. And from the video, it looks like I hit him lower leg, which would have been non-lethal shot. And so if that's the case, we're gonna go up there and find that group of bucks. He'll still be there with those bucks. He'll be limping around, but we'll finish him. Third scenario is they decided to migrate, continue their migration last night. And if that's the case, those deer move 5-6 miles a day. He would have dropped off that ridge and went down into private land, and he'd go into his winter pasture. So we'll figure out what's going on here in a couple hours, and hoping for the best case scenario. Definitely not the way I saw this playing out, but this is hunting.
Oh, he does even, I think he even already has a cheater. I said it was bladed, but I think it is a cheater.
Yeah, that's not one of our bucks. Not a bad deer, though. You want to shoot him? Well, not the update I wanted to give. We went back over there. We found exactly where that buck was bedded. We looked around. We watched the video a bunch of times, and it looks like I shot low. And I know we saw him lift his leg, and from the video that we've got, it appears that I just winged the backside of his leg. We've been all over this place trying to glass up that group of bucks. They were migrating out of the back country. It looks like they just continued on and migrated down off the hill and down to private. So unfortunately, no buck to recover today. The good news is he's fine. Totally gonna recover from that. It wasn't a mortal wound by any means. He's gonna head down to his winter grounds and be just fine. So I guess we keep going.
Hola, everybody. Well,
all right, Randy, what are we doing?
we are gonna go and find the biggest buck that we have seen on this trip yet.
That's right.
And we're gonna kill it.
Yep.
Because we've had enough dicking around.
That's the truth. We found a good glassing point here for the evening. We've seen a lot of bucks come up out of this drainage. We think the bucks are migrating now. A lot of the does have already migrated. So hopefully, test. Hopefully, we'll see a big buck come out tonight. We saw one nice buck just over across the ridge from us. He probably wasn't really as big as what we were looking for, but he's real heavy and kind of unique. So maybe if I get an itchy trigger finger, we might shoot that buck tonight. We'll see. Right there at the bottom, see him moving right there. Just went out of sight. On the phone scope him.
initial thought was he wasn't 160. I just don't think he's got the point length for it. He's awful heavy. He's got a kicker. Whew, that's really tempting. He's a great buck. He's maybe high 150s. Heavy holding. This one may come back to haunt me. What's the plan, Randy? Well, we're gonna go over here and dump off some extra gear. Run up over this next ridge and we're gonna see if we can't get into this buck, get a little bit closer. He was pretty far. It's been a pretty long shot. Yeah. So we're gonna try to get in close on him and see if we can't make something happen tonight. Yeah. If not, we'll be back tomorrow. Okay. Let's do this. All right. So, we'd seen this deer this morning. We didn't get a great look at him. And we didn't get the phone scope of him yet. After putting the phone scope on him, I'd be 100% happy this deer. He's a stud. He may not measure out to be the biggest deer. But he's mature, he's super heavy. Kicker, good eye guards. Great deer. So, we're definitely not going to push our luck. If we can't get in on him good tonight and make a good shot, then we'll wait till morning. Willie didn't want to come out. We didn't want to push in too hard on him. He's a really nice buck, so we're going to pull out of here and give it till morning. Come back up in here and hopefully we can get back on him. But look at this sunset.